The Brick Girl commercial are iconic advertisement that ran for several decades in the United States, primarily in the mid 20th century. These commercials were for Brick shampoo, a product of the Brick Company, which was founded in 1930 by Dr. John S. Brick. The Brick Girls become a cultural phenomenon and are remembered for their portrayal of idealized beauty, elegant portraiture, and influence on American advertising. The concept of the brick girls was introduced in the 1930s when the Brick Company sought the distinction in shampoo from other products in the market. The idea was to use beautiful illustrated portraits of women with lush, healthy hair to represent the effectiveness and desirability to brick shampoo. These portraits were initially created by artist Charles Sheldon, who was known for his skill in drawing glamorous women. His illustrations set the tone for the Brick Girl camping featuring women with soft flowing hair, epitomizing the ideal of feminine beauty. The Brick Girls camping continued to evolve over the decades, reflecting changing beauty standards and social trends. During the 1940s and 1950s, the illustration remained a significant part of the camping, emphasizing the elegance and sophistication of the brick girl in these decades. The brick girl was often portrayed as a wholesome, all American beauty, aligning with the era cultural values. As the 1960s and 1970s approached, photography began to reflect illustration in advertising, and the brick girl camping adapted to this trend. Real life model and actresses were featured in the advertisement, bringing a more contemporary and relatable image to the band. Some of the most notable Brick girls during this period included model and actors. The Brick Girl commercial and advertisement left a lasting impact on popular culture. They played a significant role in shaping beauty standards and the portrayal of women in media. The Brick Girls were not just model but become cultural icon, representing the ideal of feminine beauty and grace. The camping also highlighted the importance of hair care in the broader context of personal grooming and beauty. The illustrations and photographs used in the Brick Girl camping are often regarded as works of art. Many of the original illustrations by Charles Sheldon and other artists are now considered collectors' items and are displayed in art galleries and museums. The blend of art, advertising in the Brick Girl campaign in testament to the power of visual storytelling in marketing. Although the Brick Girl campaign eventually faded as advertising trends changed, its legacy endures. The Brick Girls remain a nostalgic symbol of mid 20th century American beauty and advertising. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video.